Hey, fellow traders, how we doing? Good morning, people. Wendell, Speed Racer, Black Beauty Machine, Easy Trading, NV92, Black Coffee Trader, R5 Studios. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. It is Friday. Let's have a let's have a good day today. How about it? Apex reset all accounts due to yesterday's issues, it looks like. Okay. I guess that's great if you lost money. I mean, I assume they didn't reset it if you made money. That's usually how they do it. But Apex does a really good job of taking care of their traders when there's issues. So good to hear. Good to hear. Hey, you were small red, so you'll take it. Yep. Easy trading. Sorry, I didn't see your answer or question. You accidentally canceled my PA for the 18. Sorry, what do you mean you accidentally canceled your PA? Do you mean like on your homepage you accidentally canceled the account and you meant to cancel like an eval and you accidentally canceled a PA account? Oh, no, the wrong one. I would reach Easy Trading, reach out to support and tell them that you accidentally canceled it and that it was a mistake and see if they can undo that. They say if it's not possible to cancel it, I would still think that you would still be eligible to get that withdrawal if you were at the profit threshold. But yeah, I know it says cancellations can't be undone, but I would still reach out to them. Just be extra gracious to them and just tell them that you understand that you might not be possible, but you thought you'd try it anyway, and you would really appreciate if they could undo it, and it was just an honest mistake. If they say they can't do that for some reason, then I would ask them to at least get the payout. But man, I'm sorry, Easy Trading. Oh, that sucks. Hey, Adam Boudin, you got another payout approved this morning. That's awesome. Yeah, let me know, Easy Trading. Let me know how it goes. Man, I'm sorry about that. Oh, that I never thought about it, but yeah, you could accidentally do that. Hmm. All right, market. What's it going to be this morning? We are 2 minutes from open, and you can see we had news. Had news coming out at 8:30. We have news at 10 o'clock as well. And this market is we're just going higher, folks. Every pullback is just a buying opportunity right now. I don't know how I feel about today. Like, this is the daily session. Look at this. Do you see what I'm seeing? Do you see what I see? Sorry, I'll try not to sing. That's but you can see here, this has got me pretty interested in what we're gonna do today. I mean, look at this move from the bottom of this channel in a span of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. We just went straight up to the top of this channel. Oh, crazy. And if we look on NQ, NQ has not quite hit the top of this channel. So, but again, it's not unusual for this to, overshoot this channel a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised, but it's got me thinking. It's got me wondering what will happen. I kind of, if I had to pick, and maybe this is the contrarian me. This might be the contrarian part of me, but I actually think we might pull back today. I think we might have a little bit of a fake out here this morning. And I wouldn't be surprised if we see it pull back today. But that's just me. You're up from 650. Let's go NB92. I traded this morning a little bit as well. This is where we're sitting at on our accounts right now. This is the eval that we traded yesterday, and we're already, I mean, it's been crazy. This 150K eval, I started trading it yesterday morning, and we're $722 away from passing it. It's kind of been almost too easy. Knock on wood. Took one trade this morning on our funded trade day account. This here is just trading a micro, so we have a traded day. Basically, I need to trade this for a couple more days, and then I will stop. I'll stop trading this when I'm at 6 days traded, and then we'll just leave those accounts until we are ready for them. But wow, this thing is just gonna keep. Looks like NQ. This is NQ right here. Looks like we want to keep break out. Wow. This is crazy. All right. This is ES. Yeah, NB92. Tell me about it. I know. my plan is, like, I'm going to stick with this strategy. Like I said, this strategy we're trading, I'm going to stick with this for this account. That's the plan. But if this account blows, which, I mean, honestly, I don't really mind if it does. If it does, my next eval or my next funded account, the next 150K account we trade, we will very likely will trade kind of just like I trade my PAs, which means we're going to trade NQ. But we'll see. We shall see. Hang on. Someone needs me. Hey, fellow. Hey, Garrett. You've been at the farm all week? Hey, sometimes it's good. Sometimes it's good to take a mental break from trading. Good for the mind. Well, would you look at that? What? So trade what? Nice. Trade Zella. I have been, as I mean, some of you guys know, I've been trying to get like affiliated with TradeZella for a long time. I mean, I've been using TradeZella for 4 or 5 months, and I've been trying to like be not a partner, but like basically so I can get a code and basically become an affiliate with them in a sense, and had no luck, and now just received the email. We are officially approved. Let's go. So now if you use the code Nutty Bar on when you sign up for TradeZella, it'll save you 10%. Love it. Hey, investors. Hey, how you been doing? It's been a while. I haven't seen you in a while. Hey, compile this, Nutty. What's up, fellow traders? hey, compile this. How are we doing? Yes, investors. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, volatility trading. How we doing? All right, I'm trying to think if I want to. I might take it. Not really looking to trade here before the news coming out at 10. Is there more news than this? Just ISM. Hey, Kaushik, Nanda. Good morning. Crypto Monster. I think so. Good morning, Crypto Monster. By the way. Um, yes. The plan is I'll probably stream till like 11:30 this morning, and then I have to go. You're unable to sign my PA contracts. Really, Jaylee? Like in what manner? Like did you get the email and you can't open the email, or like what? Yeah, you can, crypto. Looking for the correction next week in indices. Really? Yeah, investors. I was looking like I mentioned here. I mean, we've drawn this channel for quite some time, and we bounced right off the bottom of this channel. Now I'm very curious what's going to happen at the top of this channel. I'm very curious to see what will happen here. But we'll find out. Again, news at 10 o'clock. Hmm. The special contest email, unable to find a link to sign the contract. Hey, Dario Trader, that's awesome. I've heard of multiple people that had their accounts reset because of the outages issues they were having yesterday. Wow, look at this nice breaking out to new highs. NQ breaking out. Looks like right now, at least, this thing wants to keep going higher. But did you see Monkey Man trades? Yeah, I did. I saw it a month ago or so. So you're unable to find the link to sign the contract, Jay Lee. Okay, so the let me think. What is the contract that you should be looking for? Mm. They changed it a little bit on the email. Like there's just a link for signing it. So it is a little bit easier to miss it. But there's just like a link. I forget what the I'm gonna try and find it. Hmm. Look at this thing rip. Wow, wow, wow. NQ is just off. It's off the chain. We're at 100. Look at the daily chart here. We are right at this trend line. This is what we're looking like. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right. News in 15 minutes. Yeah, NQ's just straight up ripping. Looks like it's not done. Man, should have just bought this morning and held. Would have been an easy, would have been pretty easy. ES is lagging here a little bit, but look at this move on ENQ just right off the. We went from the 15, I mean, pretty much a 100-point move here on NQ. Very impressive. ES just slowly making new highs. We're only going higher today. It sure feels that way. Oh. We might break. I mean, we might break above this channel here and just keep right on going. It's what it's looking like right now. I don't know why I'm still a little bit skeptical. Okay, we are 10 minutes from the news. 10 minutes from news. Hey, take care, Crypto Monster. Now we're pulling back a little bit. Man, oh man, look at that move. If we wouldn't be right at the news, this would definitely be a trade I would have taken. But I mean, I guess you could almost just take it. Be pretty confident you'd get out before the news would be, but I made that mistake last week. Jay Lee, if you're still in here, I'm trying to find my email so I can help you know what email to look for. Hey, Design, how we doing? Called Signatures section. Oh, okay. Did you get it, Jay Lee? Did you find it? Wow, look at that. New highs. New highs. Oh, unbelievable. All right, news in 5 minutes, fellas. News in 5 minutes. All right. Very curious what this news. If this is good news, or the market likes this news, which why wouldn't it? I guess lately everything is just going up, and I really have no idea what to expect next. I mean, the next area is basically the 4420s on ES, I guess, right? And then on NQ, I mean, I would say like the 15300s, but crazy, man. It is a crazy move here the last 3 days. Very, very bullish. I have to keep reminding myself that this market can keep going higher. It does not have to. It doesn't have to pull back. It can just keep going up. It can just keep going higher. Yeah, patient trader. I should have just pulled the trigger, I guess, because I should have just pulled the trigger. I was a little hesitant because of the news that's coming out, but right here was a perfect setup. Should have just pulled the trigger. Not sure why. I mean, yeah, I know why I didn't. It was because the news was coming out, but the news was still 10 minutes away when this move happened, so maybe I need to start being a little bit more aggressive when we have news at 10. Or usually when we have news at 10, I just wait to trade until after the 10 o'clock news. But, I mean, this morning we had some really nice setups here. Clench them tight and get in. Now that seems like that is the right play right now. Close your eyes, hit the buy button, and walk away. That works great until it doesn't. That works great until it doesn't. All right, news in 40 seconds, fellas. News in 40 seconds. News in 10 seconds. And we're going higher. Wow. Well, it's not that crazy. Well, kind of. Yeah, we ripping. Now retracing the move a little bit. Now we've retraced the whole move. Now I'm very curious what we do. Yeah, the 15-minute breakout. Yeah. The other thing that was a nice play here, again, and I've talked about this a couple times, where like the 15-minute breakout, like right here we broke out on the 15-minute and then we pulled back right to it like that. I don't know, that's something I've been watching. Feel like I should add that to my arsenal sometimes. Ugh. Now, let's see what we do here. I'm very curious if this thing is going to keep going higher, or we could go sideways too. Pull them back now. on NQ a little bit more. Feeling a little bit heavy up right now. We failed to make new highs here. And now we are pulling back further. See, now we technically would be looking at a long setup or at a short setup, which makes me really nervous. Hey, Al, quick question. What happens when you hit trailing threshold? If you hit the trailing threshold in an eval, that means you've blown the account, which basically means, you can either wait until it gets rebuild and then it'll reset the account. You can cancel it and just buy another one at 90% off, but don't reset it. Don't reset the account. You're way better off. Oof, I actually missed this. But yeah, don't use a reset. You're way better off just canceling the account and buying a new one. What if the balance is still above the initial size you bought? Well, on a 50K account, that would mean you were like 2,500 in profit. And then, so it trails the account. So even if you're in profit and you didn't take profit, that is still, it trails it. So that $2,500 is trailing that balance. So it is possible that you can hit the trailing drawdown. That's where it's important to take your profits. It's important to take your profits when not let it go, not let trades go against you if possible. That's easier said than done, I know. Oh. All right, what's the plan here? What is the plan? If you hit the intraday trailing drawdown, yes, the account would be blown. Yes. Yeah, I would, if it was me, I would cancel that account. Well, no, if it was me, I would leave that account and make note of when your rebilling date is. Just make a note of it, maybe on a calendar, like 2-3 days before you're supposed to get rebilled. I would make a note so you're reminded. And then, but I would buy it. I mean, if you need another account, then I would buy another account at 90% off. The reason I wouldn't cancel it right now is wait until like 2-3 days before it's supposed to rebuild, and then check to see if Apex is offering discounts currently. And if they are offering discounts, then you can, let's say in 3 days before you get rebuild, Apex is only offering a 50% discount. Well, then getting rebuild at an 80% discount is a better deal. That's kind of how I used to do it. All right, now we have made, let's see if this thing can make a move higher. We're bouncing right off of this opening range high again. See if it holds. Yeah, boy. I mean, something tells me I would not be surprised if this thing rolls over or pulls back today. I would not be surprised. But it makes me extremely nervous to go short here, even though I'm not sure why I'm not doing it. Might be a good day to call it early, to definitely stream early, because I've already missed 2 different setups, and it's starting to really frustrate me. Not sure why. Yeah, you can't use the account anymore, Ali, but you can once it rebills. When the rebilling date comes through. I hate when I like, this is actually where it would be better to just walk away. I hate when I miss setups, because I feel like it's inevitable that if you miss setups, the next one you take like is almost like a guaranteed loss. That's always how it feels like. Let's see if this holds. This is definitely got the makings of pulling back here a little bit more. I don't know. I don't know why. I mean, my job is just to enter my setups and just take my setups. That's my job. I'm not doing my job today. I am not doing my job today. Hmm. Yeah, it is hard to be profitable 5 days in a row. I agree. I mean, this what kind of price action is this? Hey, nice design. Nice. That's amazing. What's NQ doing? NQ is just chopping around. Now NQ losing its marbles a little bit. Same with ES. We're slowly rolling over. See, I don't know. I don't know, man. Oh, look, now we're going to rip higher. Yeah, typical market. I just need to be patient here. Might be one of those might be one of those days where we just go up and down, V-shaped reversals. Ugh. Look at this move now. It's a shame. It's a shame. Yeah, Aaron, I do listen to music. You just can't hear it. I do. It helps me. Like, I have started though. This sounds weird, but like a day like today actually is a great example. Like right now, I haven't really, like, just looking at my P&L, I shouldn't, like, just looking at my P&L, I shouldn't even, like, it should be a good day, right? I'm now, yeah, it should be a good day, but the fact that I'm missing setups for no really good reason, like, it, like, that can put me, I'm not on tilt, but I'm just frustrated. I'm frustrated with myself. And it's all like, that's like, and this is where, like, for example, with the Guardian Angel Trader, it helps me, like, when you're feeling kind of FOMO and just frustrated by not, I mean, I missed 2 setups now this morning for no really good reason. And like, that's sometimes equivalent to a loss. And now I might actually just walk away and not even take, I don't know. It's best on days like today when I just close my charts. I need to close my charts and not even look at them the rest of the day, because if I do, there's nothing good that will come out of it, because the only thing I see are missed setups, and it'll just frustrate me more. But yeah, I have my trading rules. Everything's written down. I know precisely what I need to do. I know precisely what I need to do. I know precisely what it's just I didn't do it. I just didn't do it. Uh, you know, I don't know. It is what it is. Do you have an ATV? I don't. Design. That would be fun. I've thought about it. So I was going to do a short stream anyway. I was only going to stream until 11:30, and to be honest, I think I might just, I mean, right now, here's what will happen. Like, this could be a setup right here for real. If it turns into a good setup, I'll take it. Whatever happens, happens, which now it's looking like it won't be a setup. But I think days like today's totally okay to just walk away. But if we get a good setup here, I will take it. I'm okay taking it. Whatever the results are, it is what it is. And we'll just call it a day. We might not trigger a setup here though. Let's wait and see. And nope. Oh, I'm such an idiot. And the other thing I did, my 150K account that I had, I mean, I was what? Almost had it passed. Yeah, it's gone. It is gone. That's probably why I'm upset as well. Took that setup on that 150K eval on this pullback right here, and I'm just being bad today. It's not the end of the world. I agree in NV92. That's a good perspective. I am just, it frustrates me for multiple reasons. Multiple. Anyway, whatever. Nope, I'm not doing it. I mean, on the good side, my funded accounts, I did take one trade on that, and that one, it went fine. I mean, like I said, well, here, let me just show you. So this is where we're at currently on all the accounts this morning. This is the funded account with trade day. That one, I'm, happy with it. These are my funded accounts. Just took one micro trade on that one. Caught this move up. But right here, this was just stupid. We were like under $1,500 away from passing this account. And I went a little revenge. I revenge traded on the eval. And I guess it's better to revenge trade on the eval than it is to revenge trade on the funded accounts. But it's still little infuriating. Anyway, enough of me complaining. It's still a good day. Let's have a good day. Just the dumb trade. I entered it with 4 contracts and I shouldn't have. I only needed like $1,800 more, and I didn't have the GAT set up on that eval, and I should have. I did not. I should have had the GAT set up on that. I bought that eval yesterday and I never set it up on it, and I should have. That's my fault. I actually was thinking about doing it this morning, but I just didn't do it. I mean, it is what it is. It's only an eval, but we took out our frustration on that account. Anyway, it is what it is. How I keep count of so many accounts. I mean, I know what each one is. Okay, it's 10:25. Well, you know what we should, I wonder, can YouTube, I know that I know on what do I want to say, on Twitch. On Twitch you can raid people. Is it possible to raid people on YouTube? Punish myself. I'm gonna go to Wendy's and only have a water. Oh wow, look at this. Now we're pulling back. Wow. Now a little bit of a fake out right here. Some weird kind of way. I actually feel better now. Or I'm very happy that this setup did not turn into an actual setup, because I would have taken it. Now I'd be really upset. The raid option would be amazing on YouTube, but no, there isn't. Only way is just post a link if you want to send them. Okay, really? Yeah, they need to make a raid option. Also, I've been contemplating, and I've talked with Alpine and trading with Travis as well, and kind of throwing around the idea of what it would look like if we would like do a, how do I call it, like a co-stream, or like stream with each other, I guess, or something. I'm not sure what it would look like, but that would be kind of fun to do that just for fun, like on a Friday. Maybe only trade evals and just do a collaboration stream. Yeah, thank you. That's what I'm looking for. and do a collaboration stream. Maybe we just trade evals, keep it pretty loose and fun. I think that would be fun. So we might look to do that here in the future. Not quite sure what that would look like or how we would do it, but anyway, I think that would be kind of fun. But I'm very curious now. I am going to end stream. My consensus was this morning that we are going to end red today, but I might be wrong. I will probably check here and there. I am leaving, so I'm not going to be at my desk, which is good. So that I don't take any more trades. So anyway, I guess if we look at the positives, the only thing that happened that we missed setups, we blew an evaluation account, but on all our funded accounts, we're in profit. Also, here, I need something from you guys, okay? You guys are very smart with this. And, okay, for example, look at these accounts. See this? I think, okay, I'm looking for, and I might reach out to a certain person where they do coding and for NinjaTrader and ask them to do this for me. But I'm looking for a very simple, I mean, I don't want to call it an indicator, but it's very simple where for this account management, like right here, like I want this to be able to give me a total button, like give me the totals at the bottom and just make this account dashboard a little bit more intuitive where I can remove accounts. For example, like these accounts right here are past. You know, I don't really need to see them. This account, you know, these 3 accounts are past. And there's one more account somewhere that's past. I can't find it right now. But basically have like a group subtotal for the day. And also I would like to have on the account dashboard to also include the trailing drawdown threshold. So I did find one website where it had this very, very, like, it was almost what I wanted, but not quite. It had a lot more features that I don't need. And I might actually reach out to them to see if they're willing to kind of make a custom one just for me. But I think it would be nice to have like a little bit more intuitive trader dashboard. And basically I just need the totals, and I would prefer to have another column that shows the trailing drawdown amount. Why I'm not trading these moves? Because I'm done trading for the day. That's why. We are done. I'm in timeout. I don't need any more distractions with my trading. I'm not sure what you mean. You mean the account dashboard would be a distraction? It would be actually helpful. Anyway, I was researching it, trying to find something. If you guys know already of an indicator that does that, then send me an email, because I am interested. How do you remove a failed account from Ninja, Jacob? You have to do it if you have a Rhythmic account. I mean, you have to go onto the Apex website and cancel the account, and then you have to remove it from your trader dashboard from the Apex website. You don't do it from NinjaTrader. You do it from the Apex website. All right. All right, folks. I'm going to call it there. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day. I don't even know who else is streaming. I'm sure you'll find someone. I know Methodical Man streaming. You know, Trades by Matt, I think, is streaming. I won't send you over there. I'm sorry. But anyway, you have any advice on how to copy Apex trades between two different accounts? No, I am not sure. Okay, volatility trading. If you're streaming, all right, I'll give you a shout out. Volatility trading. Go check him out. If whatever, you guys will find people. Volatility trading, Methodical Man. I know he streams a lot, streams all day. But either way, have a great rest of your day, fellas. Have a great Friday. Hope you have a great weekend. And yeah, take care. Do not go on tilt today. That was for myself, that you hear it. And yeah, that's it, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Very short stream, but we'll be back Monday morning. Take care, everybody.